Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of this new Sony PlayStation 5. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, Sony, a picture of the PlayStation 5, a picture of the controller. You have some information right down here. PlayStation 5. Right up here, 8K, 4K, 120, HDR. Sony Malaysia official product. On the top of the box, it says Sony PlayStation 5. On the right, Sony PlayStation 5, together with the contents of the box. On the left of the box, Sony, a picture of the PlayStation 5 and the controller below it. Once more, PlayStation 5 down below. On the back of the box, 825 gigabytes, play like never before. More pictures of the PlayStation 5 together with its controller, and a description of the PlayStation 5's features in English. I believe the middle one's Mandarin and the one on the right is Korean. And more information down below. And on the bottom of the box, you have features of the PlayStation 5 together with warranty information, barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. Okay, so the seal has been cut open. Let's pull open this tab and lift the top off. Okay, so first thing that you see when you lift the top off, on the left it tells you for PS4 console users how to transfer your data to the PS5, and on the right it tells you the steps to remove the items inside the box. Okay, so once you open up this part, you're first greeted with, I think this is probably the accessories box, which we will look at in a moment. Put this aside, and right in here we have the PS5 itself. Okay, so let's take the PS5 out of the box. There's nothing else inside, if you can see it. Okay, so let's take a look at the PS5. It is quite a nice looking machine. You have the PlayStation logo right there. I believe these are the fans around the sides of the PS5. Right here you have a USB-A as well as a USB-C port. Here I think this is the play pause button together with the power button. You have the disk drive right here. And on this side, you have more fans, couple of USB-A ports, the internet port, HDMI port, as well as the power port. Okay, so now let's take a look at the accessories box. Right here, we have the PS5 controller in the standard white color. Here we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, I presume to charge the controller. Here we have the power cable. Right here, PS5 quick start guide. PS5 safety guide. here, I believe this could be the base for the PS5 itself. And right here we have the HDMI to HDMI cable. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this new Sony PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching and goodbye.